Gusto nyo bang simulan ang running era nyo but don't want to spend too much on running shoes? Pwede na tong Stipex Wind Spirit 01. For less than 2,000 pesos, meron ka ng full mesh upper at makapal na rubber outsoles kaya sure kang magtatagal. Meron din itong carbon plate na makikita mo sa mga racing shoes. This is marketed as an all-around running shoe kaya pwede sa mga easy runs, recovery runs, long runs. Of course, kailangan pa rin natin itong break in para mas lumambot yung foam. Pero enough na to protect your feet. I also ran a few strides with it and may energy return din siya. Di ko nga in-expect to for a shoe this price. Dahil yan sa carbon fiber na nandito sa midsole niya. Pero kung recreational runner ka at chill ka lang, masarap din siyang ilakad. Di tulad ng ibang carbon plated shoe na masakit sa paa kung slower pace ka. After running 13 kilometers, I think napakasulit na to for this price point. Highly recommended for beginners who just want to get into running. Kung gusto nyo rin ito, ilalagay ko lang yung link sa baba.